As many of you guys know, in VR, one of my favorite exercise type games is a rhythm game called Synth Riders at the moment. And Synth Riders got, I would say, a pretty big new feature. By the way, if you would like to get Synth Riders for 10% off, there'll be a link in the description below, or you can use code TECH for 10% off that and many other VR games using the MetaQuest store to get on MetaQuest 3, of course. But yeah, Synth Riders update. Let's talk about it. Okay. It features a profile update. Okay. As in, it added a profile. May not seem like much, but it's more than just a profile. It's also levels. Like, you can literally do like different levels now for completing achievements. You go from like level 1 to level 5, level 10. You can see what achievements you completed. There's an achievement list. And so now you'll have like a metric you can actually let your friends that also play know that you're like level 5 right now and they're only level 1. So you play more rhythm than they do, or stuff like that. I think it's a really cool update, which is why I am mentioning it. I'm actually surprised we didn't have it before, now that I think about it. Not something I really thought of at the time. But yeah, it's pretty cool because you can customize your sort of avatar thing. If you want, you can put the different themes as well, like there's standard, then there's Halloween, then there's Christmas, seasonal themes, stuff like that. Well, I think that's Christmas. But anyway, that's seasonal themes. That's my main point. Though I think overall it's very cool. There's even challenges for songs, like just challenges that unlock with songs. Like, certain song had modifiers and whatnot, and then you'll have to make it through and whatnot. So yeah, it gets pretty crazy, pretty wild, as one might say. But yeah, I actually enjoyed the update quite a bit. I played it myself not too long ago, as I'm sure you can tell by the footage on screen right now. But yeah, if you do decide to pick up Synth Riders, or you have Synth Riders and you want to check it out, definitely let me know your thoughts on the matter. Or if you don't have a MetaQuest 3 and you're motivated to buy one right now, there will be a link in the description below, or use code TECH at checkout for $30 in Quest cash, which is basically until credit, so you can grab yourself some MetaQuest games with that Quest cash, and I mean, it's basically free games at that point. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think of the update, and with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.